Welcome back. Goa University is in a process to increase number of seats for its higher education courses, but lack of teachers is the biggest hurdle. Due to lack of required number of seats, Goan students are forced to move to other states and abroad for higher studies.
At the time of admissions for higher education courses conducted by the Goa University, it has been noticed that there are many applicants, but the available seats aren't enough. This crunch forces Goan students to move to other states for higher studies. Director of Higher Education Vasco said that Goa University is trying hard to increase the number of seats for its higher education courses. But the hurdle the university faces is crunch of teachers. There aren't enough qualified candidates to be recruited as professors.
Net set qualified candidate, getting a candidate of that type in a specific subject is rather difficult. For example, in mathematics you don't get people, in English you don't get people, in chemistry you don't get people, in physics you don't get people. Because one has to pass that national eligibility test or state eligibility test, the result of which is anything between 1.5%, 2% to 5%.
Number of seats have been raised for some university courses. We questioned the Vice Chancellor Satish Shetye on whether increasing seats will serve the purpose when teachers fall short in number. Shetye says seats are being increased on a subject-to-subject basis.
Let us say we find a class is today accommodating 10 students and it doesn't require a practical, it does not require a laboratory for practicals. Then with a little bit of additional effort from the teacher, that class of 10 can be increased to 15 or 20 depending what is the strength. So it is small steps like this with the help of which you can increase. We try to push it just so that a student from Goa is not forced to go out of the state in order to go for a postgraduate program.
With video journalist Omkar Falari, reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Reporters clashed with MLAs at Butebart in Vasco on Sunday. BJP Vasco had organized 2 days booth-level cricket tournament, which was studded with starry attraction of 5-over cricket match between BJP MLAs and Vasco reporters. MLA's team batted first and gave a target of 43 runs. Reporters chased it within 3.3 overs and won the match. Carlos Almeida shined on his home ground with 18 runs, while from reporters' side, Sudesh Bhonsle scored match-winning 33 runs.
किरण कंगलकर, कोंकणी के एमएलए राजन नायक, मोहन खंडे, अरोरी के एमएलए और
After an anti-Mopa Airport mega convention at Loya Maidan in Madgaon, it was another method of registering opposition for Mopa Airport. It was a flash mob at Miramar which spread a message of retaining Daboli Airport and scrapping Mopa by people for political sanity group. Have a look at these visuals where people were taken aback by the flash mob but seen later enjoying the dance, the music, the groove and of course the style of passing on the message supporting Daboli Airport.
देखो जुनून मेरा
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. You can also meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.